Hello and welcome to your next coding challenge. So basically in this challenge you have to return the sum of two numbers. You will be given two parameters a and b and you have to return the sum of these numbers. So for example, if 3 and 2 are given as a parameters, you have to return 3 plus 2 5, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So first and most simple method is just return a plus b. You need to check your solution. So your solution is correct. Okay, there is another method to do it. Let's define a constant sum which is equal to a plus b, and after that we'll just need to return sum. We can check the solution here. So our solution is correct. Thank you so much and we will see you in next lecture.